Cycling along the banks of the Sempt at -5 degrees at sunset is not about endurance or performance. It is a choice, a decision to move through space at the exact moment when the day slowly withdraws, leaving behind fading light and heavier air. Winter here does not attack, it arrives quietly. And if you accept it, it walks beside you. The air is dry, clean, almost transparent. It fills your lungs and naturally slows your breathing. Not because you lack oxygen, but because your body understands there is no need to rush. Every breath is deliberate. Every exhale becomes visible for a moment before disappearing, leaving a temporary trace of your presence in the cold. The bike path runs immediately alongside the river. It is clean, clear, perfectly maintained, even though everything around it shows that winter has already passed through more than once. On both sides, the white from previous snowfalls is still there. No longer fresh, no longer soft, but compact and quiet. Snow that stays where it belongs. The contrast between the white edges and the dark asphalt creates a simple, functional sense of order that feels natural rather than imposed. The Sempt flows slowly without urgency. The water does not seek attention. It reflects the sky as it changes color minute by minute. At first pale, then warmer, then gradually colder as the sun sinks lower. The sunset does not perform. It simply happens. And while you pedal, you realize you are witnessing something that does not ask to be captured, only observed. The surrounding fields are silent. The snow removes unnecessary details, leaving only essential shapes. Bare trees stand like pencil drawings against the sky. Their branches form clean graphic lines. Shadows stretch across the path, touch the river, and dissolve into the white along the edges. This is the moment when daylight no longer resists the coming night. The sound of the tires on the asphalt is steady and rhythmic. It does not distract, it accompanies. It becomes a quiet metronome that aligns movement and thought. There is no traffic, no background noise. Only the soft flow of water, a distant step, perhaps a door closing far away. Everything else is real silence, the kind that organizes rather than overwhelms. The cold is present but not aggressive. It touches your face and hands, sharp but honest. It sharpens awareness. It reminds you that you are here now, moving. There is no discomfort, only clarity. The body warms itself gradually, finds its balance, settles into the rhythm. Cycling at this moment is not about reaching a destination. It is about staying. Staying inside the landscape, inside a stretch of time that feels slower than usual. Every meter traveled is not progress but presence, a way of inhabiting the journey rather than consuming it. In the distance, a few artificial lights begin to appear, sparse, restrained. They do not interrupt the darkness, they accompany it. The sky deepens, becoming uniform and calm. The snow reflects what little light remains, keeping the path visible, readable, reliable. Everything works quietly, without effort. This ride does not create dramatic memories. It does not produce stories meant to be told loudly. Instead, it leaves a subtle sensation behind, a feeling that a certain kind of normality can endure the cold, the silence, and the passage of time. And when the ride ends, it does not feel like something is finished, but like you have briefly taken part in an equilibrium that did not need you, yet made room for you anyway. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like or a comment and subscribe to the channel, because your feedback is essential for helping me understand whether this kind of storytelling, more authentic and less loud, can truly interest and speak to my community. Thank you for watching this video.